Question number 75. Which item is available in a Lightning app where visibility is limited to the Salesforce mobile app? Option A. Today. Option B. Favorites. Option C. Utility bar. Option D. Home page. Correct answer is option C. Utility bar. Question number 76. URSA Major Solar wants to know which of its marketing efforts are helping the team win opportunities. What should an administrator configure to provide these insights? Option A. Campaign hierarchy. Option B. Campaign influence. Option C. Map custom lead fields. Option D. List email activities. Correct answer is option B. Campaign influence. Question number 77. URSA Major Solar uses two different page layouts for account records. One page layout reflects the fields related to customer accounts and another page layout includes fields for partner accounts. The administrator has assigned the customer account page layout to sales and support users and the partner account layout to the partner management team. What should the administrator configure to meet this requirement? Option A. Use a public group and a criteria-based sharing rule to share customer accounts with the partner team. Option B. Add members of the partner management team to the default account team for the customer accounts. Option C. Grant, create, read, edit, delete access to customer accounts on the partner team profile. Option D. Create one record type for customer accounts and one record type for partner accounts. Correct answer is option D. Create one record type for customer accounts and one record type for partner accounts. Question number 78. User at CloudKicks wants to see information more useful for their role on the case page. How should an administrator make the pages more dynamic and easier to use? Option A. Add component visibility filters to the components. Option B. Remove fields from the record details component. Option C. Delete the extra component from the page. Option D. Include more tab components with filters. Correct answer is option A. Add component visibility filters to the components. Question number 79. Universal containers UC customers have provided feedback to their support cases are not being responded to quickly enough. UC wants to send all unassigned cases that have been open for more than 2 hours to an urgent case queue and alert the support manager. Which feature should an administrator configure to meet this requirement? Option A. Case scheduled reports. Option B. Case dashboard refreshes. Option C. Case escalation rules. Option D. Case assignment rules. Correct answer is option C. Case escalation rules. Question number 80. CloudKicks has created a screen flow for their sales team to use when they add new leads. The screen flow collects name, email, and soup preference. Which two things should the administrator do to display the screen flow? Choose two answers. Option A. Create a tab and add the screen flow to the page. Option B. Use a flow element and add the screen flow to the record page. Option C. Add the flow in the utility bar of the console. Option D. Install an app from an app exchange. Correct answer is option A and option B. Create a tab and add the screen flow to the page and use the flow element and add the screen flow to the record page. Question number 81. Universal Containers has two sales teams, Sales Team A and Sales Team B. Each team has their own role in the role hierarchy. Both roles are subordinates of the same manager role. How should the administrator share records owned by the Sales Team A with Sales Team B? Option A. Hierarchical sharing. Option B. Use manual sharing. Option C. Criteria-based sharing. Option D. Owner-based sharing. Correct answer is option D. Owner-based sharing. Stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up. Welcome back. We really need your supports and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's begin. Question number 82. An administrator at CloudKicks needs to export a file of closed-won opportunities the last 90 days. The file should include the opportunity name, ID, close date, and amount. How should the administrator export this file? Option A. Data export wizard. Option B. Data import wizard. Option C. Data export wizard. Option D. Data loader. Correct answer is option D. Data loader. Question number 83. Northern Trail Outfitters wants email received from customers to generate cases automatically. How should the administrator ensure that the emails are sent to the correct queue? Option A. Utilize a flow to identify the correct queue and assign the case. Option B. Use a custom email service to set the owner of the case upon creation. Option C. Create an escalation rules to send cases to the correct queue. Option D. Configure email to case so emails are delivered to the correct queue. Correct answer is option D. Configure email to case so emails are delivered to the correct queue. Question number 84. Sales representatives at CloudKicks wants to be notified when they have a high likelihood of winning an opportunity over 10 lakhs dollar. Which feature meets this requirement? Option A. Key deals. Option B. Big deal alerts. Option C. Activity timeline. Option D. Performance chart. Correct answer is option B. Big deal alerts. Question number 85. Universal Container wants to increase the security of their org by requiring speakers' user passwords. Which two of the following should an administrator configure? Choose two answers. Option A. Password different than username. Option B. Prevent common words. Option C. Minimum password length. Option D. Password complexity requirement. Correct answer is option C and option D. Minimum password length and password complexity requirement. Question number 86. How should an administrator support this request? Option A. Use Process Builder to capture the daily average on each opportunity. Option B. Add formula fields to track stages on each opportunity. Option C. Run the opportunity stage duration report. Option D. Refresh weekly reporting snapshots for closed opportunities. Correct answer is option C. Run the opportunity stage duration report.